So a solid wood floor is typically nailed down to a plywood substrate, and that's as simple as it gets with wood flooring installation. You can't really use a solid wood floor in a lower level of a house like a basement. There are some applications where you can direct glue a solid floor to a concrete slab, but still not below grade. And that's really where engineered flooring shines. Engineered flooring uses a 4mm wear layer of the real reclaimed wood from those old fence boards, and it's attached to a plywood substrate. The plywood that we use is a 9-ply cabinet grade plywood. This gives a really stable platform for the floor, and that's what makes it able to be installed below grade or directly over concrete or over hydronic heating systems. The plies in the plywood are cross-laminated, and because that movement is spread out amongst all those different directions, the movement in the floor is that much less noticeable. So you have this ability to install wherever you like. It can be nailed down directly over plywood just like a solid wood floor. It can be glued down direct to concrete, whether that's below grade or above grade or slab on grade, and it can be installed directly over hydronic heating systems to be glued down as well. And the lack of movement in the floor also lends itself to seasonal properties. So around here in the Finger Lakes, we have a lot of houses that get used during the summer and not so much during the winter. Engineered wood floor is great for a house like that because during the winter time, it's generally going to get quite dry. In the summer, you might see some increases in humidity. A solid floor might exhibit a little more movement than you'd like to see, whereas an engineered floor is going to remain completely stable.